Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make lotus salad, a truly refreshing and flavorful dish. First, you'll need to gather your fresh ingredients, including about 500 grams of lotus stems. We'll then prepare a vibrant dressing that perfectly balances sweet, sour, and savory notes. Next, we'll quickly cook some shrimp or pork to add a delicious protein element. Finally, we'll combine everything for a delightful, crunchy salad that's perfect for any occasion. To begin, carefully peel your 500 grams of fresh lotus stems. Then, thinly slice them into 2-inch pieces. To ensure they stay crisp and prevent browning, soak these slices in cold water with 1 tablespoon of vinegar for about 10 minutes. Next, blanch the stems in boiling water for just 15 seconds, immediately transferring them to an ice bath to stop the cooking. Finally, drain them well and gently squeeze out any extra water to maintain their delightful crunch. Now let's create the star of the salad, the dressing. In a bowl, combine 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 1/2 cup of water, and 6 tablespoons of sugar. Next, add 2 finely chopped garlic cloves and 1 thinly sliced bird's eye chili for a touch of heat. Stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice to brighten the flavors. Whisk all these ingredients together until the sugar is completely dissolved, ensuring a perfectly balanced sweet, sour, and savory dressing. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to assemble this delicious salad. In a large bowl, gently combine your drained lotus stems, cooked shrimp, and any other crisp vegetables like julienned carrots. Add a generous handful of fresh herbs, such as mint and Vietnamese coriander, for an aromatic touch. Pour your tangy dressing over the mixture and toss lightly to ensure everything is well coated. Finish by garnishing with roasted peanuts and crispy fried shallots, then serve immediately for the best experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.